Good day guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get unlimited data on all networks via TikTok and also get 100 MB sign up bonus in the process. So now first you need to put your TikTok Lite, download TikTok Lite from Play Store. So you need to download it. So after downloading the TikTok Lite, so now just tap on the me section, tap on use phone number or email. So now you need to input your phone number. So let me quickly input my phone number over here. You need to sign up to a new account, 906761. Then tap on send code. So now you need to just this slider now slide, make the slider, make sure it fits, verification complete. So now enter the 4-digit code sent to this number. So so let me quickly input the code. I think it's 8472. Let's see, verification feed. So let me just quickly head into my WhatsApp because TikTok sends to your WhatsApp number. So it's 8670. I'm sorry, 0670. Okay, 0670. So guys, now you need to select your date of birth. Let me just select something random. Let me select something random, tap on next. So guys, TikTok sends your verification code to your WhatsApp number if you're on WhatsApp. But if you're not on WhatsApp, you get it via your SMS. So right now input your password. Let me pause the video while I input the password. So make sure it's 8 digits and have letter numbers and special characters in the password. So now add your profile name. So let me just add profile name Neymar, or let me just add bag boy, for example, bag boy, then create. So right now, as you can see now, I allow TikTok to, now tap on get 500 MB free data. Tap on this. So now on this, now you see a section. This didn't open. You see a section to input invite code. So let me just show you guys how this will work out. Once you see a section, there will be a pop-up to input invite code. Input this A994884. So let me just show you a screenshot of how this will look like. So it would look like this. Enter invite code. So now input this invite code over here. This invite code 8994. I'll leave the invite code in the description of this video, so that you will get free 100 MB. So then after inputting the invite code, now head back to your TikTok Lite app. So head back to your TikTok Lite app. So head back to your TikTok Lite app. So head back to that page which I showed you earlier. So after heading to that page, now just copy your invite code on that page. So after I'm waiting for the pop-up, copy your invite code. Here is it. So let me click on it. So now what you need to do now, copy your invite code. Now invite users. When users sign up, you get 500 MB data. Anybody that sign up 500 MB data, there's no, you can refer a lot of people. If you refer 10 people in a day, that's sweet 5 gig. So this data, and it works once you have gotten this data. Let me say you have 500 MB. Just once you have 100 MB, tap on activate, and 100 MB will be sent to your MTN, airtel or Glo. There's no 9 mobile. As can you be sent to your Glo as data, and the data is valid for MTN is 7 days, for airtel is mostly 1 day, 14, it varies. If you have 500 MB, just come and redeem it and will be sent to your phone number as data. And the data, you can also share the data, something like you can also share it with users. So guys, that's how to get unlimited data on airtel on all network via TikTok, and also 100 MB in the process. So before I conclude this video, I'll share, if you like this video, once again subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaboration via the description of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and I love you all. Peace.